Okay, good morning team. 1 second, I'm also going to share over here on Bookmap.
Condividi?
Sì, su Bookmap sì oggi, perché ogni mercoledì lo facciamo. Loro hanno circa 50.000 iscritti. Okay, good morning. So we're screen sharing over here on YouTube and also on Bookmap. Can you hear me, traders? Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Okay. So I'm trying over here this morning to give you already my plan, which is, as we spoke about on BOF and REX, 2 short plays on extension. Okay. So we're gonna start with that, and also we have, as I said, NVIDIA today. So for now, I'm screen share over here on REX. You can see Bookmap. We have a major over here support at $6 and a major resistance $6.50. Good morning, Florian, Ruggero, Crypto Scotty. Good morning. Quindi all'open, se vediamo che va la struttura at open, if we go to the 650 on Bookmap and we reject, I'm looking to short. Remember also, traders, that we are doing this only for educational purpose. Read a disclaimer, okay? Everything we share on Bookmap is for educational purpose only, and is not a trading advice. Quindi arriva al rosso di Bookmap, viene su qui, viene giù, facciamo short. Stai subito pronto, in caso va su, fa lo stop.
Ok.
E c'hai anche gli hotkeys.
Sì.
Ok?
E lo stop lì dove arrivate 6?
Io lo metterei sui 6,60.
Ok.
What are you looking to trade? Quindi I'm looking, to start trading this morning on REX. Five minutes to go. So remember, today we have earnings on NVIDIA. We have REX as small cap. For me, REX is a good play for a short, but way that we have that rejection. So I want to see that we have sellers, right? BOF is another one that I'm looking at. So BOF, ideally extension 120, 125. And over here on top, I will put NVIDIA. So symbol, NVIDIA, we're gonna put this 5 minutes. And also 5 minutes over here on REX.
Quanto apro? 50?
Io farei 2 volte da 50.
quindi...
No, c'hai già 50 dentro, quindi solo 50.
Ah, ok.
Sì. This is important, talking over here with the trader. Calculate in advance how much you're gonna risk for the day, how many are your size to trade, how many trades you're gonna trade, okay? SMCI, quindi andiamo blue zone, andiamo col dot, ma devi guardare questi due dot qui,
Sì.
e poi entriamo con l'arrow, che ci può essere, oppure col footprint e bookmap. So you ask me also what is the timing? How can I enter in the best way over here on RAX or on BOF or NVIDIA? So one thing is knowing the level, okay? So for example, on RAX, you can see we have the golden zone around 630. We have the daily level around 650, 660. But the confirmation is when we have a push and I start to see sellers. That is the time, because when it goes up, yes, I can short near resistance and stop above, but I don't know that we're gonna come down, because it can break and then goes poof. And that is called front side. This is where price stalls, so stops. This is where price starts to sell, and bag holders, so who is long, who bought this stock 1 year ago before in pre-market, is selling. So you take advantage, prendiamo vantaggio di questo e vendiamo con loro. So always look for the backside, okay, team? Don't trade a front side. BOF, because this is just to be like, you know, how's the risk management, is this. Okay, so you know what we're doing. Uh, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Remember discipline, right? Remember what I shared this morning. Thirty seconds. I'm gonna keep for now Bookmap on Vrax. Five seconds. Okay, open. Push. Shorted. 645 on Vrax, risking 660. 645 short, risking 660. Covering 620 partial. Let's see if we can get a more pop 650s. You can see the price going from the 650s to the J lines, which is 6. Nice sellers over here on VRAX. I want to see that the drop over here below 6. Nvidia, J-line rejection. Buff, amazing gap and crap short 120. Quindi quando va su cerca di riprenderlo short a 6,40. Devi prenderlo quello, ok?
Cioè lo metto short un'altra volta?
Sì, c'hai quei 50. Okay, it's coming back up. Check over here, racks. It's all price action over here in the first 10 minutes.
No, io l'ho ripreso, sì. Adesso va su.
Let's see what it's gonna do. Let's see if 690 too short. High volume, stay away. In this case, traders, you can see how this dipped into the J lines, squeezed and pushed back up. And now we have a halt. Okay? So we have a halt. It means that we have to actually wait. We have actually to wait for the open. What is the next level? By the way, if we confirm this bar on Nvidia, this is going to be a long. VRAX holding the J lines, VWAP push. If we have sellers on Bookmap, we can short. We don't have over here any sellers, so we have to wait open for a pop and fill short. Otherwise, $8. Let's see, BOF. Entra sempre quando c'hai la resistenza che spinge giù, non solo quando viene su. È quello che devi fare pratica. So both over here, just want to share with you with Bookmap. You can see how it came to the resistance, 122, and that is a good, beautiful short. You see over here, that is the short with buff. Ma rispondi a Rado, fai te, del link di oggi che siamo su Bookmap tutto. Nvidia waiting. Both over here, gapping and crap. Fader for now. Beautiful unwind on both over here. Dilli che mercoledì è così, se abbiamo Bookmap.
Qui bisogna aspettare
Quei 5 minuti.
5
O 5 o 10. Quindi da qui calcoli 5 minuti. So now it's a 5 minute over here halt. We have to wait on Vrax. If at the gate we have a pop and fail, we're gonna look to short, otherwise we're not gonna trade it. And again, you can see traders one thing. Where did we have the bounce from? Again, from the J lines. You can see every single time that is the first over here support. Every single time. J lines dip, push back up, and then extension play.
guida aspetta che arrivi qui adesso.
I'm looking for zone $8 on Vrax will be nice. So they're gonna open in about 1 minute. On both traders, wait for a pop into the 1 minute J-lines to add, not before. Ten seconds to the open on Vrax. We're still pushing over here, still squeezing. No short yet for me. Waiting. I'm waiting on Vrax traders. Still high volume, you can see they're buying. This is a good example. You can see these prints, green prints. And let's wait this level over here around $8 on Vrax, okay? Daily level only. It came to the 760, so that is cal play to the daily level. This is our level of 760, you can see. Fast over here, this is your fast short. As soon as you get to the daily level, to take the short. And we saw this on the hourly chart. Rex over here will fail a little bit more. There we go. Look at that fake out so fast. To daily level again, 760, boom, dump at 7. And also you can see the J Slim on the 1 minute chart. This is fast. You have to be super quick. So if now we break the halt level, $7, this will fail. Questo puoi anche chiuderlo. Ah, il tuo short, perché sei short a Rex. Sì.
No, aspetta, cosa avevo chiuso?
Lo short, sì.
Ok.
Vediamo se sono altro trade. Quindi se torna alla resistenza, fallo quel trade. Torna alla resistenza, vedi che c'è quello, tu entra subito.
Quando arriva qui?
Esatto, quello che mi hai detto prima.
Ah,
Vediamo
ok.
lo short che arriva lì, boom, tu lo fai. È quello che ti serve pratica, è fare trades. Trader, if now you took the daily level resistance, we need to wait over here the break of 90 MA. If it breaks 690, 695, target is going to be the J lines at 640. Nice reversal bar on the 5 minutes. So going back over here to Rex, this is what we had this morning. So pop worked, 640 the gate to the J lines. Again, that's your target. And you can see the pop, 640 to the target. And then it held over here the J lines. And once it goes up, we can look to short if we have an actual rejection. So actual rejection means that we have to see sellers. Instead over here, you see it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green. Only after the halt, we have over here sellers joining in. So these reds, only after the halt. Yeah, over here, good comment by William. A lot of bag holders from last week, they bought at $7, maybe even $8. This morning they're happy because they can sell over here around 730, 740. So they're minimizing their losses. The entry body is simply the pop and fill, the pre-market high, and the Bookmap over here stuff. So what you're just asking, Jay, what is the setup on Buff? On Buff we have the usual over here play when we have an open near the pre-market high. Okay, you can see that it pops. Right away when it pops, you can see that it fails below the pre-market high, which is 119 over here. And then those are the sellers. Okay, so you short exactly here when you start seeing the sellers. Risking that high, and then first target J-lines, but the main target today is going to be the 5 minute J-lines. This is an A+ setup today. You're welcome, buddy. Okay, let's go and check Rex again.
No short. No. Questo.
E dobbiamo aspettare la resistenza. Sono siamo lontani dalla
Potete
resistenza.
tornare su?
C'è caso che non torna più. Però fare short qui, fai short sul supporto, che è sbagliato. Perché se torna su c'è uno stop grande.
Ah, perché il supporto adesso sarebbe lui.
Questo
No,
qua.
questo. Okay.
Sì. Yeah, I would stay with 123 on Nvidia ideally. First 125, then 123. Rex, very interesting traders. But don't short here. You need to wait for that pop again, daily level. Or avoid. Right now looks like a distribution pattern. Okay, so let's see if it breaks the 7. So we have the 7 breakdown and then the reclaim of 7. BSLK fading from daily rejection. And can we long Vrax over here? Well, personally, I prefer the VWAP or J-lines or 90 in the 5 minutes. $7. This is the level of the halt of before.
Qui dovrei verificare qui sopra.
Qual è la zona più che altro dove vorrei shortare? Quindi lassù in alto.
Qui cioè lui farebbe così e poi va giù.
In teoria sì. Watching it walled. Earnings play. In the meantime, we're going to continue to watch over here Vrax. So you can see that once they got that 7, right? They broke the support. This is a liquidity trap. And then they came back up over here with volume. So now they may push this up into the 740, even 750. Yeah, let's put 1 second ASST. So SST this morning is having a lot of green over here, fake out 276. BSLK hourly J lines target, and then simply hold with lower highs, lower lows. So trailing essentially with the J lines. Wald, I believe, higher percent of earnings, higher percent of institutional, like 35%. Start watching buff for rejection to add to your position. Come on, Jtraderco over. So watch over here, buff traders for a stall and short between 180 and 110. I'm gonna go back on Vrax. Vrax is very, very sideways over here. A lot of volume traded. They already traded 33, almost 34 million. And now let's see if we can have Rex. The golden zone, so 730, 740 short. The best shorts happen in the first 30 minutes. So over here, after we have the dip, we have to wait Bookmap, daily resistance, we can short. And then if we have over here a level to short, a heat map to short around 730, 740, we'll take a short. Stai pronta. Short. Short over here, 717, 720 on Vrax. Golden zone rejection.
Fatto un po' un casotto lì.
Sì, perché non c'hai gli occhi. Se te perdi il tempo di mettere quello, cliccare, shottare, devi usare gli occhi che hai messo l'altra volta.
Adesso mi devo abituare perché...
And now we want to see a fail below the VWAP. So stay with the eyes over here on the price action on Vrax. So you can see here, 725, the stuff came down. Want to see a fail over here below 7 and sellers below 7 here. So watch it. Okay, good dump over here. Now let's see if we can break 7. This I don't like. See the volume, higher low, volume over here increasing, holding the VWAP. So we're gonna risk over here the level around 730, 732. Okay. Quindi both played good. Both traders played good. If you listen to the commentary over here, add 110, 108, came to the 103, 101. So good on both. Sei 90. 6,90 sta andando bene, guarda.
Sì.
So Vrax is holding. VWAP over here 680. So if you took the trade 720, 715 is working good. You can risk now break even. But again, you can see what happens at the VWAP, right? VWAP came, volume, and it's pushing. Vrax.
Non lo so.
Vrax needs to break this VWAP, traders. Needs to break this VWAP.
Allora, questa?
VWAP è quella rossa.
La rossa.
Sì. Okay, start watching it buff. So remember, when you have these stocks, risking the money. So now we're gonna put it over here instead of NVIDIA. And what is this? Technically, look what happened on buff. Fail the J lines, push J line curl, and move to the upside. Do we have also a long play? Yes. You can see the system over here gives you a long play with the J line curl here. That is a proper play, and then you can see the volume. It's not that I don't want to trade these, I simply missed it, but this is a perfect A+ setup from the playbook. So you really like an example of what we trade. Okay? Also remember 10 o'clock move. So BOF, very interesting right now. What I'm going to do, BOF, resistance 124, resistance at 160s. So both 124, 160 resistance. Brax is working. 690, 680, you want to see the J lines around 675. Quindi adesso facciamo buff. Remember the shorts that I'm going to trade are going to be in the first maximum hour, and the other resistance, yeah, is 130 on buff, also 130. Okay, so we're gonna play buff. Beautiful VRAX. Cover half on VRAX. Payday. Se c'hai lì, quant'è che c'hai VRAX? Calcola 200, vedi? Quindi fai 100.
Ma faccio
Qui fai
50?
100. Fai cover 50%.
Se faccio così cosa succede? No.
Clicchi sopra. Vai. Benissimo.
Ok.
E sei uscita al 50%. Perfetto. Ok, quindi ricordati, non è sotto che prendiamo, ma è sopra la golden zone. Quando c'è il bookmap. Ottima esecuzione quello. Adesso stop break even. Now stop break even on Rex, ok? Remember what we said, 720, 715, or 727 for who can short. Play very, very good. Rex.
Ma sto perché io lo devo mettere adesso?
Sì. Put a stop break even. Look, this major dump.
Ma faccio capire se me l'ha preso.
Lo vedi qua. No, clicca di nuovo sopra. Prova a metterlo. No.
Sarebbe stop a pari, no?
Sì.
Perché ho fatto diversamente.
Allora, prepariamoci su questo.
Yeah. Break even non ce l'ho.
Allora te lo devo dare. Preparati su buff. Prepare on Vox traders. Sorry, buff traders. Buff. open, daily resistance, no short for me yet. $130 resistance. You can short at 129, risking 130, 131. Let's put over here above.
Quindi anche qui aspetti che scenda sopra la golden zone.
Pronto a far short. Short 124 starter, and we're gonna add into the 128, risking the 131. Let's see if we can have a dump on both. Otherwise, 130, 131, we're gonna risk it.
Off ce lo fermo.
Impossibile. No, no, si sta muovendo. Sì, sì. They're still holding this buff, traders. Daily resistance, gap fill, the risk is tight, the reward is big. So let's see what is gonna play. Rack 640, beautiful. We need to see a big dump over here of this 120 and selling pressure.
Cioè, più che altro vedo che questo non si muove. Qui si muove niente.
Ah, non sei dentro.
Perché mi fa così? No.
Ah, no, sei dentro. No, non sei dentro. Sei già uscita.
Come faccio se sono uscito?
Perché prima mi sa che eri long.
Ah,
Rifai short.
sto stronzo.
Want to see over here a dump on buff, traders? Come on. Anybody in? Rack 630. Beauty. Remember, it's 10.15 above the pre-market high. So buff is not anymore an A+ setup, but we're looking for a low risk entry and let me say big R return. We're gonna keep the stop at 132, 133. Added 128. So 28 added short. You see that big heat map came in over here? And now we want to see only a drop to the J lines, otherwise stop. Okay. $119. We need to break down. Anybody in? Just plain bad, not bad. So let's put our target, puoi già inserire il target, metà, lì così ti prepari, un pochettino sopra la genesi, bravissimo lì, per metà, quindi calcola quanto c'hai, metti la metà di quello che c'hai e poi metti i buy e ricordati che deve essere sempre il limite.
Allora, metto qui e gli devo mettere il prezzo qui.
Sì, un pochettino sopra J-lines, però metti metà del click,
Okay,
fai doppio click.
50.
Sì.
E poi dove che devo mettere il prezzo?
O qui, dove c'è il price, oppure fai doppio click.
Ah, ok.
Ok.
Non l'ha preso.
Sì, sì.
Dov'è? Ah,
E
però
poi
non
devi
c'è la
mettere
linea.
buy, devi mettere buy.
Ah, ecco. Adesso.
Ok. So you guys are looking for X curl, right? Start curling. Reverse split 260. It's a reverse split X curl, okay? Buff. We have sellers on buff, right? So watching over here the price action.
Mirax lo posso anche chiudere, mi sa l'ho chiuso.
No, tieni la metà.
Sì?
Sì, sì, 2 centimetri su 5 minuti. 5 minute J-lines metà e poi l'altra metà di quello che ti è rimasto 2 centimetri su 5 minuti.
Ma su 5 minuti.
Sì.
E quindi la devo mettere qui.
Sì.
Quindi devo fare 50 limit. Così. Preso. No, perché devo far così, non cavo un pezzo. Quindi così si chiude un'altra metà
Esatto.
e poi prosegue il resto.
Esatto. Let's see both traders if we can fail over here. Patience, okay? Patience. Patience. Okay, let's go back over here to SST. You can see that it's pushing up. And again, why this pushed up? J lines, okay? So you ask me, Jay, do this work? Look over here, the dip inside bar, that's your long play. Amazing long play. ASST. All right? Multiple J-line rejection this morning in NVIDIA. 114, 113. Do you like traders over here above? Do you like buff? What a call, right? What a call. Now cover 1/3 and 110, 112. 1/3 half. Why I say half? Because we're already near 1030 and it's the pre-market high. Okay. Thank you, brother. So Rox is going good. Went good over here, both. And then this morning we had a no for who took it. BSLK gave a 1, 2, 3 J-line rejection. That was sick. And also we had long plays, okay? Wald over here came to the daily level and came down and installed into the 1 minute J-lines. Rock's new low 617, very good. So remember today, 5 p.m., we're gonna have the webinar, small caps, no? Small caps webinar for elite mentoring.
Yes.
For elite mentoring. No, se ce la fai 50 di halts lì.
Con le proteine che...
Sì.
Pronto dopo le...
No, dopo vengo a
Ok,
vedere.
va bene.
Okay, Twitter, so we have a few minutes left. Any questions? So by the way, next week we're gonna be in streaming from New York. So for everybody who wants to see me or Bruce, I will be with him in New York from Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday next week after the Labor Day. We're gonna also attend a day at the NICE, New York Stock Exchange, with the Cobra and all our traders. Gonna be around 25 people going there, so I think it's over max limit. But in case you want to have a coffee or anything else, reach out. It's gonna be nice to meet you. Again, if you want to trade with us in the room, every single day we trade based on a strategic system, so you can learn the playbook, the setups, and you can join the room at JTrader.co. Again, thank you team for following us. I'm gonna be back in about 15 minutes into the room. Good morning on these plays, and good luck today for the rest of your trading. Thank you.